If you're done with school in Ghana and you want to start a side hustle, or you want to start some business, or just something small to get yourself started in this era in which we are now, this particular video is going to help you, because in this video I'm going to show you one strategy that I wish I started long time ago, and this is really going to help you. So let's get started. So anytime you are coming out with a business idea, one of the ideas you should never do away with is content creation. So you are done with school, you want to get started with business and all that. One of the best ideas you should consider is content creation. So in this video, I'm going to break down all the things you have to know about content creation, the advantages that is inside content creation, and how you can also take advantage of content creation. So why should content creation be your number one business idea, or should be part of your business ideas? One, content creation is low to start. It's a business that you can start with a very low cost. I started this YouTube channel just by using one of my old smartphones to upload. Even by then, I was just recording my screen and I was posting it. But a lot of people also started the same way, and then they are making a lot of progress in their content creation journey. So you can start with little capital, even though it can take some time for you to build audience and all that. Now, apart from the low capital that you use to start it, it also comes with unlimited opportunities. For instance, you can get 100 views and still get something good out from it. You can get 1,000 views and you can still make something out from it. I know that side is not clear. Now, what I mean is that with 100 views, someone can give you a deal depending on the video that you are doing. For instance, if you are creating video about real estate, you are sharing real estate related content, maybe someone can give you a deal that can earn you more money than someone who is getting 1 million views or even 100,000 views. And that's what content creation is all about. So it doesn't matter. So the opportunity is there for everyone, depending on what you are sharing. Now, apart from the low cost and then the opportunities that it gives you, it can also help you to make multiple streams of income, or it can help you generate multiple streams of income. And this actually means that, you can post one video on YouTube, you can repurpose the same video and post it on Facebook, repurpose the same video and post it on TikTok or Instagram. And if you are monetized on all these platforms, you can still be making money from all these platforms as well. So that's what it means by saying it can generate you multiple streams of income. Now, if you have a product or a service, you can also use these opportunities to do to market it out to people. So if you are creating content, you can be putting your product in front of people so that they can do they can see what you are doing. For instance, if it is real estate, if it is boutique stuff that you are selling and all that, you can also put it in the video so that other people can see it. It becomes a marketing tool for you. One other reason why you should consider doing content creation is that, have you seen the previous election, which is the 2024 election? Even in US, in other countries, they were paying bloggers to do to run adverts for them. Anytime you have Instagram followers, TikTok followers and all that, politicians can reach out to you and say you should help them do advertising. So if you have followers, you are able to create content and build followers, they'll come to you. But if you don't have any followers, nobody's will come to you. That's one way you can also spend government's money. So there are a lot of reasons why you should consider going into content creation. Apart from the low cost startup and all that, there are a lot of reasons why, but I believe the few that I've given here will convince you to actually start content creation. So now someone might ask, what type of content should I start creating? For that one, it actually depends on you. It depends on you. For instance, if I tell you that you should create content about finance related stuffs, probably you will not be able to do it, because maybe you don't even know the interest rate on treasury bill as at the time you are watching this video. Okay, so you find it difficult to do to create content related to finance. But let's say you know more about Arsenal, Chelsea and the football clubs, meaning that's where you are supposed to be. Or you know more about health related issues and all that, maybe that's where you need to be. Or someone who is into herbal medicine and all that, that's exactly where you are supposed to be. So basically, the type of content you create depends on the knowledge you have, the skill you have, and also what you can do. That's where you have to be creating your content about. If not, if you want to be doing what someone else is doing, the possibility of you stopping and wasting your time is very high. The next thing you need to do is to pick a platform. Which of the platforms do you think is going to be helpful to you? The number one platform I'll recommend is YouTube. YouTube is the best in my opinion. Some people, Instagram work better for them, and some people too, TikTok work better for them. So you have to choose which of them can be helpful to you. You can also choose to upload on multiple platforms to see which of them will be good for you, and then you now focus on one or two. So I would personally recommend YouTube and TikTok. These are the ones that are really okay for me. So I will recommend these ones for you. So you can also choose any other one that you think will be helpful. So after all this, one of the areas that matters to people when it comes to content creation is how much they can earn. How much can you earn? So I'm going to explain this, summarize the whole thing so that it can save us time. So earning on the platforms is different. So for instance, if you're on YouTube, you need to reach like 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 watch hours if you are creating long videos. And if you are creating short videos, it's going to take you 1,000 subscribers and then 10 million short views. Okay, short views, the short content. Do you have to get like 10 million views within 90 days? Then from there, they'll monetize you. You can start earning money from it. Then on Facebook, you need to reach like 5,000 followers or 10,000. I'm not monetized on Facebook anyway, but it's like 5,000 or 10,000 followers and then 60,000 watch hours. 60,000 watch hours. If you're able to reach this requirement, you know, they'll monetize you and you start earning. If you're in Ghana, that's the requirement for you to start earning on Facebook. Then a social media platform like TikTok, what they do is that they don't give you the direct monetization here in Ghana. So what people do is that they let someone create the account for them outside, and then they'll be taking a part of whatever earning they'll be getting from TikTok. And that will be something long for me to explain now. So you can check my other videos. I've explained that. Even though my TikTok account that I created with foreign account, they've banned it. But there are other ways of earning on TikTok, which is if you're on live, you are explaining some things to some people on TikTok live, people can be sending you gifts. And that's the primary way that we earn money on TikTok in Ghana here. So Instagram is also a platform that helps people to earn some money, but for them they give bonuses. They don't pay like creator fund and all that. They don't do that. They only give bonuses. So all these platforms, this is how they actually monetize those who create content for them. So apart from the direct monetization, there are other things that people do to earn from it, which is brand deals. If your content is good for a particular brand, for instance, if you are creating content about Gary or food, and then Kivo Gary sees that you are doing a good job, they can come to you and you become their brand influencer. So you'll be showcasing Gary, the Kivo Gary in the videos, and they'll be paying you. And then it comes with other brand as well. Whichever brand says that you are doing a good job, they can also come in contact with you, and then you guys will work together. So basically, this is how content creation can help you to start a small business, and then who knows, that business can even be bigger than what we all expect. I believe this particular video has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe and start content creation now, and then next year by this time, I believe you can be able to sell your product and start earning some extra income as well. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in another video.